Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss, and I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric Supply Company, and welcome to episode 11 for our March Hot Products in a Hot Minute. I have with me Anthony Carmichael with ABB T&B, and he's going to tell you all about their COBRA clamps.
Thanks, Joanne. Yeah, so let's talk about this thing. So this is the Thomas Betts COBRA clamp. As you can see, the first thing you're going to notice, this is a one-piece design opposed to the two-piece designs that are out there, which makes installation much easier on your electricians. So I want to talk a little bit about how this thing works. So as you can see here, we've got this J-hook design. And how that works is when you've got your strut, it's going to take and it's going to interlock onto that top lip there, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to insert your conduit through here, and you're going to start to tighten this down with our universal bolt. And I kind of want to just talk about that for a second here, because this will handle a 1/2-inch nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, standard screwdriver, Roberts square, and wrenches. So it makes it pretty versatile. So once you've got this in there, you're going to tighten that down. You're going to clamp that conduit on top of your strut there. Now, one thing I want to point out too is this saddle. So the saddle is a great feature because what that does, a couple things. One is it's kind of self-centering, so it's going to help get that where it needs to go. But secondly is because of this saddle, we're able to, with this one clamp, handle EMT, IMC, rigid, PVC, and liquid tight in various cables. So it really makes it pretty versatile. Now, although this clamp complements Thomas & Betts Superstrut product very well, it does work with all brands, deep strut and shallow strut as well. They are available from 1/2-inch up to 4-inch in steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. So get in touch with your Standard Electric account manager and get a hold of some of these things. It's a great product. Thank you.
So as Anthony said, if you want a quote for this, just reach out to your Standard Electric account manager. Please like this video, follow us, subscribe to our channel, and we're going to see you next week on another hot product in a hot minute. Thank you.